Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best LED fog lamps for cars on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Hella ValueFit 500 LED Driving Lamp Kit. This list is being headlined by a couple of options from well-known brand names. Yes, they're some of the most expensive choices in the post, but LED lights are almost always a prime example of getting what you pay for. Ever see a commercial trailer with tail lights no brighter than your cousin Cletus? Those are, in all likelihood, the cheapest lights the owner could find. These units from Hella are mounted in an aluminum die-cast housing that provides effective heat dissipation via cooling ribs on the back. Combined with an extremely lightweight design and low power consumption, they are worthy successors to the brand of lamps that lit the way through countless Baja 1000 events. Features: the Hella ValueFit driving lights, high-performance LEDs and a precisely calculated reflector create the ideal light you need when you need it. Count on Hella. Aluminum die-cast housing provides effective heat dissipation via cooling ribs on the back and an extremely lightweight design. Off-road use only. This light will fit your needs for trucks, cars, SUVs, all-terrain vehicles and pretty much anything you can imagine. Ideal low power consumption of 22.5 W and multivolt 1030 VDC. This listing includes 2 LED driving lights, 2 mounting brackets, 2 stone shields, 1 relay, 1 wiring harness, 1 switch, hardware and mounting instructions. Pros: top-notch ratings, excellent brand name. Cons: costly. Number 2. Our second best pick is Auxbeam 3-inch LED light bar. These small 3-inch LED light pods incorporate what the seller calls a 4D fisheye hyperspot lens. Why is this helpful? It should create illumination designed to project light on extreme distances but ensure high brightness in close quarters. We say should because, though this product's ratings have improved since the last time we visited this subject, they are still below 4 stars. The pods have an aluminum housing for extra durability compared to lesser metals while also doubling as a heat sink. The seller asserts these lights are good for about 50,000 hours of life, which is approximately equal to the average length of a finance class. They are IP67 rated for water. Features: 3-inch LED light bars with 4D fisheye hyperspot lens, are extremely bright even in daytime but consume little power. It is designed to project light at extreme distances but ensure high brightness in close quarters. 20-watt LED spotlight bars with softer light, no glare, will not dazzle the oncoming traffic. Its pending aperture system blocks unused light for a clean beam. It has full aluminum housing for extra durability while doubling as a heat sink. It has about 50,000 hours lifetime with IP67 rated waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof, anti-corrosion for harsh environments. 3-inch 20W LED light bars apply to off-road vehicle lighting, emergency and rescue lighting, ATV, UTV, golf cart lighting, boat and marine lighting, agriculture vehicle lighting, mining and heavy equipment light. Package included, 2 into 20-watt LED spotlight. Pros: easy install, focused and wide beams. Cons: calling 3-inch square pods a bar is stretching it. Number 3. Our third best pick is Nilight LED fog lamp pods. With over 12,000 reviews on Amazon, it's safe to say these LED pods are one of the most popular units of its type at Bezos Co. The cup of coffee price tag may have more than a little bit to do with that, stickering at less than $18 for the pair. An adjustable mounting bracket is included, meaning one can angle these things at either nightcrawlers or the International Space Station depending on your mood. Please aim them correctly. They are waterproof in about 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. If you're swamped longer than that, ruining a $15 set of lights is the least of your problems. Features: high-quality LED chips emit bright white light, concentrated spot beam illuminates to further distance and lumen is 1260 lm. The pod can be adjusted to about 45 degrees, which makes changing the direction of the light beam easier. Special design die-cast aluminum alloy cooling fins effectively extend the lifespan to over 30,000 hours. IP67, waterproof up to 3.3 feet of water for 30 minutes and effectively dustproof. Package include 2 pieces 18-watt LED light bars and mounting brackets. This product is the universal fit. It fit all the vehicles. Pros: dirt cheap, surprisingly good reviews. Cons: reports of relatively short lifespan. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Nilight yellow LED fog lamps. Here's a set of lights that HEW most closely to the traditional definition of fog lamps, casting a yellow glow down the road and through the mist. Thanks to their rectangular housing stretching 5 inches across, these lights will likely do a better job of casting light in a wide dispersal pattern than a square pod. The manufacturer promises a runtime of 30,000 hours, meaning they'll last for 13 years if you run them for 6 hours a day. They also boast of an upgraded reflector cup with a broad reflective plate to deliver a multi-angle reflection. Features: advanced superior quality 24 pieces LED chips emit bright yellow light, flood beam lets you see the left and right clearly at night. Universal wiring harness kit is up to 12 feet with 2 leads for connecting 2 LED lights under 180 W, easy to install. This LED light bar is equipped with adjustable mounting brackets offering convenience to adjust position flexibly when needed. The 5-inch 72-watt yellow LED light bar upgrades their reflector cup, the broad reflective plate allows multi-angle refraction, flood beam is ideal for ambient illumination, which makes the light beam angle can be 180 degree, allowing you to see the front and side more clearly at dark night. Package included 2 into 72-watt LED work lights, 1 into 12 feet wiring harness kit. Pros: yellow light for the traditionalists. Cons: people might think you favor the French. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Zmoon LED round fog lights. Though round in shape, the seller nevertheless, hilariously, describes these things as a light bar. Now, your author may not have a degree in geometry, but he's reasonably certain a bar needs to be rectangular. Pedantic thoughts aside, these non-bars measure 4.5 inches across and are said to be reasonably waterproof. Reviews are solid if not spectacular, good enough for a 4.3 out of 5-star rating from over 1,300 respondents. Real-world pictures show these things on vehicles varied as a Toyota FJ Cruiser and a Yamaha Warrior ATV. The latter proves that these things don't require a bunch of power to run. Features: the 4.5-inch round LED light bar uses advanced 14 LED chips providing 14,000 lumens, 6,000 K super bright white light. The brightness is far more than similar products of 6 chips, 9 chips. Allows you to see the left and right clearly anytime. IP67 waterproof. High illumination. Adjustable bracket and 50,000 hours long lifespan. Pros: truly universal, very inexpensive. Cons: less of a bar than your local dive. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.